There is so much doctors still don't know about why COVID-19 hits some people so hard and why others have no symptoms. Every patient offers new insight. In Toronto, one 51-year-old man was so sick he spent 9 weeks on a ventilator. Doctors knew his odds were not good, and yet somehow he came through it. Caryn Lieberman has his story.
Mario Castillo enjoys his first real breaths of fresh outdoor air in 4 months. The last time he saw the sun, it was March.
It's my first time I go outside to feel the air.
Something simple doctors never imagined would be possible for someone who fell so sick with COVID-19.
Maybe around 12 o'clock, I tell my boss, I'm not feeling good.
The 51-year-old mechanic spent the next week in bed before finally going to the ER.
The doctor coming and said to me, you have the COVID.
So he presented to the hospital about 5 to 10 days after symptoms started with shortness of breath.
Dr. Jamie Spiegelman treated Castillo in the ICU. Initially, he only required oxygen, but within hours, his respiratory status worsened. He became Humber River Hospital's first intubated COVID-positive patient.
When we put in the machine, is when everything got.
The efforts of the medical team were relentless, but his condition continued to deteriorate.
We didn't think he was going to survive because he was on so much life support.
Doctors don't know why some patients die from the virus while others survive.
No one really understands the pathology behind it yet.
Castillo's wife also tested positive for the virus. From the family home in quarantine, she kept hoping he would pull through.
We just keep praying. I know Mario can make it. He's a fighter. He's a strong man.
For 3 excruciating months, she was not allowed to visit her husband.
What if something happened to him? I did not even say, I love you. I didn't even hug him.
Castillo's x-rays showed significant damage to the lungs, but within weeks his condition began to improve. After 70 days on a ventilator,
I open my eyes and I see everybody, the doctor around me.
For survivors of COVID-19, beating it may just be the beginning. The virus has taken a toll on Castillo's body.
This is my goal, to walk and to back again my work and do it the same me doing before.
He still has a long road to go to get back to his baseline. The fact is he survived it, and it is a miracle that he survived it to this point.
And Castillo does not take that for granted.
It's my second chance.
Caryn Lieberman, Global News, Toronto.